Most apps just don't get it. If you've been looking for a way to learn Serbian, you've probably realized that the big apps don't teach this language. And if you do manage to find an app that teaches Serbian, most of the time, it looks like a boring textbook. Today, I'm showing you the best app to learn Serbian. I'll explain why it's the best app to get you speaking right from day one. The app I'm talking about is Ling. You can click the link in the description below to start your free trial with the Ling app today. We've also added the timestamps for you here as well, so it's easier for you to look through. Now, let's get started with the most critical part of learning a new language, the audio. Most apps use text-to-speech or TTS robots, which is good for them, but bad for you, because if you learn from a robot, you'll sound like one. But that's what sets Ling apart from the other apps. Ling works with native speakers to create the courses and to record the audio for you. This is exceptionally helpful for every language, but most especially tonal ones, because you're hearing real people speak with their real accents. It's the best way to get your ear tuned to the natural rhythm of the language without needing to go out and speak to somebody face to face. But hearing it is one thing and using it in context is another. Ling doesn't just throw random vocabulary at you. They've built their lessons around context. Understanding the what, the when, the where, the why, that's the key part to learning a new language. They design each lesson with the real-world situation you need with the right amount of gamification. And the sentences you'll use first are the ones that you'll get to use right away. Like ordering food, asking for directions, and calling for help in case of an emergency. Now let's be honest, even if the lessons are going great, staying motivated is one of the hardest parts of learning a new language. That's why I really like the banana points and streak feature. These features motivate you to learn your language daily and help you progress better. Every lesson earns you banana points. But that's not all. Ling also has a daily streak counter, which gives you just the right amount of push to open the app at least once a day. And these aren't just for you to see, they push you up the leaderboard so you can compete with other learners, even if it's just a 5-minute break from doom scrolling on social media. Now, with all those features, will they actually teach you how to speak? That's what Ling's Chatbot aims to do. It's an interactive conversation partner that simulates real life. You listen to the native speaker, you choose your answer, and the app gives you instant feedback. This helps you put yourself in the situation before you actually talk to somebody, so you're more confident when the time comes when you actually have to use a language. It is the perfect way of practicing how to speak without the anxiety of talking to a stranger before you're ready. And grammar notes that explain the logic behind the sentences in plain English. It covers the technical stuff in between the gamified lessons. Now that I've went through Ling's key features, I want to let you know that this app is made with cultural and linguistic respect. Your language matters, and with Ling, we can keep your language alive. Thanks for watching, and if you want to master the language, the accent, and to speak confidently, download Ling today. The premium version is a paid model, but if you want to give it a go before committing, you can click the link in the description below for a 7-day free trial. Have a good language learning journey.